Hello and welcome to our tutorial on how to reset the administrator password on a Linux NetWorker server. Please note that these instructions are only applicable for NetWorker 9 and later releases. Let's start with generating a new password in base64 encoded format. The password requirements are a minimum of 9 characters, including at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one special character, and one numeric character. On your NetWorker server, type the command echo -n your new password pipe base64 to generate a base64 encoded password. Next, we will copy the password details to the auth.c template file. This file is found in opt nsr auth.c-server scripts and is called auth.c-local-config.json.template. Make a copy of this file, open it, and replace your username with administrator and your encoded password with the password you just generated. Save and close the file using the command WQ!. Then rename the file by typing mv followed by the file name and the new file name, removing the .template.copy. Now we need to copy the password file into the auth.c folder and set the permissions. Type the command cp filename, in our case auth-local-config.json, and the path nsr auth.c-conf. Open the folder using cd and the path. Set the permissions using chmod 755 and the file name, which makes the file executable by root. Use ll-ltr to check if the permissions are correct. It's time to restart the NetWorker server for the new password to be configured. If the NetWorker server also hosts the NMC server or the NWUI server, you should also restart the GST and NWUI service as well. Use systemctl stop networker to stop the NetWorker server. Check the status with systemctl status networker. If it's inactive, you can continue. Start the server again with systemctl start networker. Check the status again, and if it's active, you can continue. Try to log in using nsr login -f -u administrator -p and your unencoded password. If the authentication was successful, then the password change was also. In case of issues, check the log files for errors. You can find the auth-c-server.log and the auth-c-server-audit.log in the path nsr auth-c logs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it was helpful.